Welcome to the almost world famous Cactus Atlas. On today's episode, I'm going to show you how I grill up lunch here at the campsite. If you want to find out if this becomes a disaster or a success, stick around and find out. Oh, just getting ready to fire up the grill here and make some lunch. Burgers. Yes, you heard right. Hamburgers, not hot dogs. I will share with you my horrendous technique for doing this with limited tools. We'll see, maybe I'll get really sick. Honestly, I don't know what was cooked on this grill, but there's a lot of flavor in that grill there. That crap ain't coming off. It's like bubbling, it's like tar. So I'm debating using this leftover thing that someone had put on the grill, but it's pretty on there. It's pretty tarry and like wet. So what would you guys do in a situation? I think I'm gonna let it simmer a little bit longer, see if I can get more of that crap off there. This is one of the situations where I'm like, I don't know, man, do I want to put my meat on that thing? I know some of you would say go for the extra flavor, but I don't know, if you were here doing this, I don't know if you'd want to do that either. No, I don't know where this thing has been either. It's definitely seen its use. It sure does look a lot more inviting than that. So here's my methodology. I've been letting the coals get really hot, and I've been scraping off the crud and playing limbo a little bit and lowering the grate closer to the coals as I spread them out, and it is hot. All right, with some patience and a lot of work, I think I got it clean. Well, as clean as it needs to be if I kind of focus on the center area here, and you can hear that sizzle. These ought to be good. I'll let you know if I survive. So here's the part that kind of sucks. I didn't have a spatula. I meant to buy one when I was at the store getting this stuff, so I got these tongs. So my strategy has been, like, that's gonna stick to the grill for sure. But I just kind of wait for the bottom to cook so it's firm enough to try to get under there and pry it out. I think the key with that is you gotta let the bottom layer cook enough to be firm enough to get up under there. So far it's not sticking too much. I was able to get up under there. I'll let it cook a little bit longer on that side. All right, I reckon we're ready to attempt the first flip here. Can we do it? Oh, come on now, darn it. Almost had it. I got this little piece here that broke off. I don't think there's any saving that, is there? It's gonna fall in there. All right, let's try this other one here. Come on, baby, come on. Nice. Look at those grill marks on there. It's got all that extra flavor baked in from the grill. You know those are gonna taste good. I mean, you kind of have to appreciate too. I mean, these are pretty wide grills, so it's hard to put raw meat on there and not have it like fall in. So that's why I'm impressed with my hamburger cooking skills today. Seems to be going pretty well. Now, I don't know why I decided this was a good idea, but it was. I got some English muffins. I'm just sick of eating like refined buns. So I got some of these Bubs English muffins. Bubs for when you're camping at Valley of Fire State Park. All right, let's check and see how these are doing now. Are they sticking? Nope, not sticking at all. They're starting to feel pretty firm though, so I'm thinking those gems are close to being done. So I don't know why I thought this would be a fun idea. Just something a little bit different. So you can hang out with me and see how we eat when I do these adventures. So the next thing I'm gonna do while these are finishing up is I'm gonna put down my English muffins here on the less dirty parts of the grill, and I'm gonna let those toast a bit. Hey, I never thought I would have gotten into this food vlogging thing. It's kind of fun. And to complete the dish, I topped it off with a short stack of some original Pringles. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. Let's see if this tastes good. A little bit more well done than I like, but I went for well done on that grill because I need to make sure I killed everything off that could possibly harm me there. pretty dang good. I guarantee. Gotta eat a Pringle too. I've cleaned my plate. Done. I am very full. That was way too much food for me. Pardon me. The most important part now is we have to douse the flames. I somehow managed to eat both of those burgers. And at this point, it's time to give you my final thoughts about this experience. So I got to really use all of the equipment they make available to you here at the Rock Campground. It was a lot of fun, and my only concern early on you saw was all the crud that was just baked on, this tar sludge stuff all over that grill. Now I will let you know in the next 24 to 48 hours if I get sick, I will add something to this video to let you know that. So I highly recommend when you camp making burgers here at Valley of Fire State Park, because it was awesome. If you're new here, please subscribe to our channel, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also, you can hit the notification bell to stay informed of whenever we release new videos, which we do all the time. You can also find us on social media at Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram under the name Cactus Atlas. Well, I am so full. I needlessly ate both of those, but I didn't waste any food. So I need to either do a long walk now or a nap. I have yet to decide which of those two it will be. So I will part ways with you now, and I hope to see you on a new adventure right around the corner. Thanks for joining me on this one. Take it easy.